In this Adobe Illustrator tutorial, we will create a 3D smile emoji and it's super fun to do. First, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. You can press and hold shift so it will be a perfect circle. And if you press and hold shift and alter option, then it will create it from the center. Remove the stroke and add a fill color. I will add yellow color similar to those emoji. Again, I will draw a smaller circle inside the larger circle. This will be the eye. This will be a darker brown. It shouldn't be a perfect circle, so I'll squeeze a bit. Now hold Alter option and click and drag to make a copy. We need to place the eyes in the center of the larger circle. For that, first group them. Select both the smaller circles and press Ctrl or Command and G to group them. Now hold Shift and click to select the larger circle. When you hold Shift, then you can select multiple objects. Now click only once in the larger circle without holding any keys. This will make the larger circle a key object. Now click Horizontal Align Center. This way we can align the eyes on the center of the larger circle. For the mouth, draw a straight line with the line tool. Now we need to pick the same color as the eyes for the stroke. First select the stroke box. Right now it's empty. Then select the eyedropper tool. Now if we just click, then it will take it as a fill color, but we want it for the stroke. If you press and hold shift and click, then it will select the color as a stroke color. Now bump up the stroke size. From variable width profile, select the last one. But right now it looks sad. We want it to be happy. Select the reflect tool and double click on it. Here check vertical. Now it looks happy. Next we need to expand it. If you press Ctrl or Command and Y for outline mode, you will see only a stroke. So go to Object and select Expand Appearance. Now if you check outline mode, then you will see the shape with the fill color. Now we need to place it to the center. Make the larger circle a key object just like before and align it to the center. Next select everything and press Ctrl or Command and G to group them. Now we can apply the 3D effect. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials and select Extrude and Bevel or any of the first 4 options. It will open the 3D and Materials panel. Here you will see some interesting options, but we wanna select the Inflate. These are very fun to play. I suggest you to try this. From Rotation, select Front. Next for Materials, you will find some stock materials, but in this case the default one will do. At the bottom, increase the metallic. It will give the shiny highlights. If you increase the roughness, then the highlights will be softer. Now go to lighting. Here we can change the light angle, intensity, rotation and many more. At the bottom, turn on shadows. When you are done, you can turn on the ray tracing for high quality result. Okay, now it looks like a cake. The eyes and the mouth look like chocolate. Since we already made this one, so why not have more fun? Let's bring the cake or the 3D emoji in Photoshop. I'll be using this empty plate and place it here. This looks delicious. So this is how you can use Illustrator's 3D effect to create a 3D emoji or a cake. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.